Good morning, team. In this video, I am briefing you about evaluation framework related to the blockchain technology and its application on the selected industry of yours. You just cross check for blockchain evaluation framework. You get a lot of links. Just open any one link. From that, you can understand how to create an evaluation framework. Okay, you get a lot of you get number of links to evaluate your blockchain and how it can be applied. See, for example, evaluation frameworks, how it works means, like, for example, if you are considering to implement blockchain technology in banking industry, how you can confirm that this technology is going to give best, like this, it is going to solve each and every problem that is identified by you for the selected industry, means banking industry. So you list first problem and whether the selected blockchain technology can resolve it or not. You will be evaluating it. You will be explaining how it is going to evaluate. For example, take this link. It contains a blockchain evaluation framework. If you see, sorry, let me copy this image. It will be better, I guess. Copy image. Paint. Now, if you see, oh my god. So this is first question. If it is satisfying it, we go to the next level. Otherwise, we don't use blockchain technology. First, it is offering security. Yes, no, two options. Next question, it will be having two options. Next question, you will be having like in this way, like you will be creating various alternative situations and alternative questions. Means like you have a number of problems in your from the first task. You can understand there are several problems that are expected by the industry to resolve because of using the blockchain technology, right? Based on that, you need to create at least 5 to 6 questions or 7 questions, and frame, like similarly you can use MS Paint to create how many boxes you want. So maybe decision, denying it, and finally using it. So these are two things you can keep anywhere, like use blockchain technology or deny block, maybe like this, deny or don't use. You can do it in your MS Word also. Then list of questions. Question number one, question number two, question number three, question number four. So if it is a continuous analysis, maybe like for example, either you can go this way, otherwise you go this way. Okay, after passing this one, if this should be satisfied and this should be satisfied, you say that maybe like this. Sorry, maybe like this. Okay, so this should be satisfied, this should be satisfied, this should be satisfied, this should be satisfied. Then only we will be using, like if this question can be resolved by the blockchain technology and this question can be resolved by the blockchain technology, this question means these all questions should be resolved by the blockchain technology, then only you will be using blockchain technology. Otherwise, what you do, so it is out of border, like it's, let me take this one to here. Okay, maybe now, then we go for blockchain technology. Okay, so this is how it works. If first question can be resolved by the blockchain technology and second question resolved by the blockchain technology, third question, if all these four questions are resolved by the blockchain technology, then we will be using it. If any of the question at any stage cannot be resolved by the blockchain technology, then we don't use blockchain technology. So this is how we create a framework, maybe like this and this. Okay, so very simple to create your framework. So if you use this one, Paint, it will be difficult because these arrows are not good. If you use maybe Draw.io, so just go and cross check Draw.io online. Draw.io. Okay, Draw.io dot traw.io and press enter. It asks us to log in, I guess. Um, Maybe as I already activated it, it is directly showing it to be like you need to maybe log in to the app.io, see Draw.io website, then create a new diagram, blank diagram, create. Yes, so it will be using your Google Drive. Now it is very easy to make a decision. So simple, just one, next one, two. This is how we create next one, three. It takes very less time. Usually, our people, like most of the people who are working on the task, they take a lot of time, but it's a very easy thing to. It is very easy thing to design. So we got four questions, right? You can. This is final solution. Yes, use it. Now here we have one thing that is don't use. Now you take arrows. Just select it. This one is your arrow. One, just select it. You just select arrow. Two, you just select this one is your arrow. Three, you just select this one is your arrow. Four, four, and this is your. You just select it. You this is your arrow. One, just select it. This is your arrow. Just select it. You this is your arrow. You just select it. This is your arrow. After connecting this, you can move these boxes like this. You can move it. So you can move your what we call rectangular boxes. Okay, questions. You can add your questions like this is a need, something like this. So you can create very easily by using Draw.io website. It's an online one. And after completing this one, just click on File and Export As, and select JPEG or PNG. And it will be asking 100% selection and or like selection only. Like maybe you can select these things. Just click right click and left click and just drag your image. It will be select all the total diagram will be selected. Now go to file, export as JPEG, and selection only, export. Now you have download option here. Just click on download. It automatically downloads your framework diagram. My system is a little bit slow, that's why it is taking time. This is how you get your diagram, and you can go to your diagram. Be it is in the, so here it is, right? It is in downloads. So let me go to downloads. So this is downloads. Here is your diagram. Just drag your diagram onto your, you can drag it onto your word document to include it. Okay, after creating this framework, you need to explain what is how it was decided to use blockchain technology should be explained. So you say that there are plenty of problems that are observed for the industry, and if these problems are resolved, we can use the technology, or we can deny using the technology based on our framework. So this is this total process. First, at first step, what should be evaluated and what is the decision made. At second step, what is the evaluation, then what is the decision made. So for every evaluation step, at every evaluation step, there will be two different decisions that you can make. One is go ahead with the other question, otherwise just deny using the blockchain technology. Hope you guys understood. And while you can add colors to these boxes, okay, if you want, you can make a lot of changes to these things. So this is a simple evaluation framework. Okay, this is all about evaluation framework. Okay, hope you guys understood. Just work on this. I told you in the first, for the first task you need to identify plain number of problems. So if you got 5 to 6 problems, you just understood if all the problems can be resolved by the technology, then only we will be using it. If even if one technology is not supported by the technology, you will be denying it. Okay, that should be your framework. All right. Happy designing, and fix it in a proper way, guys. Thank you. And you just properly arrange these things, and because now like it should look good. That's why, like, and just think, check that if something, some arrow is crossing it, you just click on the arrow and try to move it the way we do it in Excel. In same way we do it in Excel. Huh? It's very easy process. Okay, right, guys. Thank you.